Hello everyone, my name is Njoroge, and in this video we'll explore the fundamentals of designing captivating logos that communicate the essence of a brand. Before I dive in, let me introduce you to Inkscape Illustrator, the powerful tool we'll be using in logo designs. Inkscape is a free and open source vector graphics editing software with similar professional standards to Adobe Illustrator. To install Inkscape, go to its official website and navigate to the download section. Select version 1.32 because it is the current stable version. This means that the software has been tested and it is error-free. It is also important to note that this version requires at least Windows 8.1 in order to run. Download the installer package. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to run the installation. Upon launching the software for the first time, you will get this welcome dialog box. This dialog box allows you to set up your document. You can choose the type of canvas you want to work with in the drop-down, but for now I'm just going to leave mine in default. If you're familiar with other illustrators such as Adobe or Corel Draw, you can choose the keyboard layout for familiarity. For now, I leave mine in default. For appearance, I will leave my user interface at colorful. Finally, you can also toggle the dark mode theme off or on. I leave mine on dark mode. Under time to draw, there are some templates you can choose to use. As I scroll down, you can see there are more templates options. These templates can be used to determine the size of your canvas, and by canvas I mean the blank page or an empty sheet. To start, I will click on print, then A4 landscape document size. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to illustration basics. Therefore, we will not go deeply into the tools until our next tutorial, as I want to make it simpler and easier for you. So I will start by introducing two logo formats to demonstrate the difference between raster graphics and vector graphics. To import image in Inkscape, you can click this import icon. Choose your image and click open. And then click OK. Voila, image appears at the canvas. Click delete button to delete image. The second option is to go to file, then import, or clicking the shortcut Ctrl I. Choose the image and click open and then OK on the dialog box without changing anything. Once the image is imported, right click it at the center to move it around where you want it. To scale up the image, click Ctrl, hold then one of the handles to adjust its size. To zoom out the canvas, click the positive sign below and the control bars to pan around or move it around the canvas. From the zoomed raster graphics, you can see its individual pixels, and this is the main reason why raster graphics are not recommended for logos, as they are prone to pixelation and low resolution during scalability and editing. Zoom out the canvas by clicking the negative sign below, back to normal. Click the text tool to tag the raster image or name it. Scale it up to size. Our second image will be a vector graphics. To create the vector image, click the polygon tool to create a similar star object. Make sure your vector adjustment settings are similar to this one. Click the fill and stroke dialog. Then stroke style option to adjust the vector stroke size. Then click fill option. Then adjust the hue to match the raster graphic. Click the selection option. Click Ctrl, hold +1 control handles to scale up the vector graphic. Click at the vector's center and move it around to the position you like. From the zoomed vector graphics, you can see it's not pixelated. And this is the main reason why vector graphics are recommended for logos, as they are error-free and high quality resolution during scalability and editing. Zoom out the canvas by clicking the negative sign below, back to normal. Scale it up to normal and name it. And this is the end of our part 1 of our tutorial. which was all about logo design fundamentals. See you soon in our next tutorial, which will be designing a simple logo using the tools in depth in the panels. Please remember to subscribe to be notified about the next video, like to show appreciation, and comment for feedback. See you soon. Ciao.